In this video we are retinting the rear windows of my truck, going from this to this. Wait. Before we get started, according to YouTube statistics, 94% of the people watching my videos is not subscribed to the channel yet. So please, if you like this video, consider subscribing. It really helps out the channel. That means you too, Max. I can see you're watching. Subscribe. And please give this video a thumbs up. Thanks. What's up everybody? Welcome back to Wrench at Home. This is my 1980 GMC Squarebody truck. I've had it for about a year now and I love this thing. One thing that's been bugging me since I got it is the rear window tint. I don't know how long that foil has been on there, but we're definitely talking years. That's what we're fixing today. I fill up a plant mister with soapy water. We're using that later when applying the new tinting foil. I also fill up a small bucket with soapy water for cleaning the windows thoroughly. To create some space for sitting in, we remove the cover from the truck bed. My girlfriend is helping me with this job today. She's great with applying foil or vinyl wrap. First, let's remove the old foil from the rear windows. There's a lot of air bubbles between the foil and the glass, and the foil has become a bit blurry to see through. Let's get all the dirt off these windows. The tinting foil will stick to the windows on the inside of the cab eventually, but we will be cutting them to size on the outside before removing the foil backing to make sure it all fits properly. After cleaning the windows with soapy water, I give it another pass with glass cleaner to make sure I got all the dirt off. When the windows are nice and clean from both sides, it's time to cut the foil roughly to size. I'm using some leftover foil that I had laying around after tinting another car. It's no professional expensive brand or anything, but it will work and look a whole lot better than what was on there before. This first piece is big enough to fit 2 of the total 4 rear windows of the truck. Before you place the foil on the window, it's important to spray a good amount of soapy water down, so the foil will stick to the window but you can still move it around easily. After that, slowly push out most of the air and water bubbles between the foil and the glass using a squeegee. I like to use a squeegee with a felt edge so I don't accidentally damage the foil while working with it. When most of the foil is on nice and flush, cut off all the excess foil around the edges. There's not really any tips I can give you here, just take your time and use a utility knife with a fresh, sharp blade. When that's done, it's time to get the other side of the window sprayed down with soapy water and peel off the backing layer of the foil. Then carefully remove the foil from the window and move it inside the vehicle, with the sticky side of the foil now facing the window you want to apply it to. Now gently place the foil on the window and slide it in place. You can trim rough edges where necessary. If you feel like there's not enough soapy water behind the foil to easily move it around, just peel it back and spray some more. When the foil is in the right position, now again, using a squeegee, push out all the air and water bubbles that's between the foil and the glass, working your way from the top slowly to the bottom, from the center out to the sides. You can use a heat gun to heat up and shrink the foil a bit if you're working with a curved window. In our case that wasn't really necessary, but it did help to get some stubborn bubbles out. After a thorough inspection from the chief window tinter, the first window is checked off the list. 3 more to go. I'm just going to play with the rest of the footage now, as it is much of the same. Spray down enough soapy water, apply the foil, remove all the air and water, cut the foil to size, remove the foil backing and apply the sticky side of the foil to the inside of the window. It's not that hard to do, it just takes a little time and patience. Having a good looking assistant that's willing to help you work on your car is of course a very big bonus. here's the end result. All done, crystal clear with almost no bubbles. It can take a couple of days for the last moisture to dry completely. All in all, it took us about 2 hours to re-tint these 4 windows. I think it looks great. How about you? That's it for now. Thanks for hanging out with us. If you liked today's video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to see future updates on my truck and other projects. Take care everybody. Bye!